Hey, Car Doctor Nation, Ron Ananian at your service. So what does this catalytic converter on the left and the exhaust manifold on the right have to do with today's story? Well, they both had to come out, and I'm going to take you over to the car. Say hi to Danny. Smile, Dan. Dan's on camera. All right, 2016 Camaro SS with a 6.2 liter, because we're trying to get to the starter, which is way down there. And all of this had to come out. And if you look close, let's see if we can get the camera to show. You see the burn mark to the right of the stud? That's the copper link that goes between the starter solenoid and the starter motor. That fried. Customer stopped to get gas, 36,000 mile vehicle. Car stopped to get gas. They went to start it, big puff of smoke, and towed in. So something to look forward to. Book time says 6.1. We've probably got half that just getting the rusty bolts out of the cylinder heads. Here we are at 36,000 miles. We can't imagine doing this job when the car's got 100,000 miles on it, and this is a 2016, so it's 7 years old. Could you imagine 100,000 miles, 10, 12 years old? It's unbelievable. They're not designing them any easier, folks. That's why you really got to be aware of what you're doing and how you're doing it, and some of the procedures. We sat here. We used the thermal inductor to heat the heads of the bolts on the exhaust manifold because GM puts a Loctite type thread sealer on there, and they don't make it any easier. So I thought you'd like to see it. Just another day in the pits. Till the next time, I'm Ron Ananian, the Car Doctor, ably assisted here by Master Dan. We'll see you guys on radio. Bye.